Can you tell us about how Duncan makes decisions related to PLM functionality, particularly things like whether to customize or not, and whether to build a customization yourself or to pay somebody else to do it, or like how do you guys sort that out internally to make those decisions?
A lot of discussions.
Right.
One of the nice things about working at Duncan Aviation has about 3,300 employees across the contiguous United States. We're a worldwide presence, but we're only physically located in the States. But for that many employees, it's still, the communication flows really well. It's a quote unquote close-knit group. So making these types of decisions, hey, Innovator doesn't seem to do X. How can we make it do X? We all know who to talk to. We all know who to pull together, the right stakeholders, the right subject matter experts, and have these discussions. So it starts out very informal. There's no paperwork. It's just a bunch of conversations. And then we come up with ideas. And then there's a small group of us who actually take care of the nuts and bolts of an implementation of a customization and decide, okay, is this something we can handle ourselves? Do we need to go outside?